Hello everyone. Today we're going to get you to watch a turboprop. One of our little regional airliners is going to come over. This one is Victor Hotel Dash X-Ray Foxtrot Whiskey, which is a Bombardier Dash 8 Q300. Oh, there he is. He's very small, man. Let's zoom in on him. Gain a foothold on a distant object. Now let's be just a slight quick. Lucky I am good at multitasking. Oh, and there goes our little Dash 8. Oh, he makes a beautiful sound. I love the sound of a turboprop. So beautiful. That little humming sound from the propellers really gets you going, doesn't it? Don't mind the tree, it's just rubbing against my head. It likes it. It knows that I'm environmentally friendly. And that's what I intend to be anyway. There he goes. There goes the little fella. If you see a white dot in the distance, that'll be him. There he goes, he's flying off. It's a very quick boy, you know. He's very, very quick. Oh, and there he goes. Man, that's so quick for a turboprop to fly over. Pretty unusual for me, but if you know why it usually goes so quick into the airport, let me know in the comments, and you can share your story. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching that turboprop as much as I did. See you all soon. Bye for now.